Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5 classic boutonniere flowers. Roses. The universal symbol for love, the rose is the most requested boutonniere flower. Carnations. Considered less formal than the rose by Americans, the carnation is the preferred choice for the groom's boutonniere across the world. Calla lily. Tulips. Filler.
Let's help you make your mark.
Traditionally, the male brings his date a corsage when he picks her up for prom or a homecoming dance, and the female brings the boutonniere. Of course, females can buy their own corsages, too. Or friends can purchase corsages or boutonnieres for each other if they're going in a group.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What is a boutonniere? A boutonniere is a floral accessory worn on the lapel of a tux or suit jacket for weddings and other special occasions. Start with the color. White, green, and yellow are all popular shades. Another great way to balance out a boutonniere is with the addition of bold greenery.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The boutonniere should be placed on top of the lapel and on the left side. If you're pinning the boutonniere on some else, then it should be placed to the right of the tie. The boutonniere is typically placed lower than the tie, but above the pocket square.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Boutonnieres. The groom, groomsman, the bride's dad, the groom's dad, the ring bearer, any ushers, both sets of grandfathers, a male officiant, and any male readers should all wear a boutonniere, which is pinned to the left lapel.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.